feels like Christmas when you get a brand new vacuum. I am so excited for this vacuum. So this is the Shark Rotator Pet. I have 2 dogs, so I got the pet one, so this is gonna be great for my dogs because they shed a lot, so it's gonna be perfect for that. It has anti-allergen, complete seal, HEPA, which is my favorite, odor neutralizer technology. So this is something new that I never had before, so I'm really excited about the odor neutralizing technology. It guards against bad odors for a fresher smelling home, better hair pickup, more suction, so that's gonna be great. And if you can see, here is my doggy. So he is gonna be excited for this new vacuum to clean up all his dog furs. Try this, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what I think of it. It also has an area down here. It has a self-cleaning brush roll. So for pet hair and long hair, no hair wrap. So it says the hair won't get wrapped around and stuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and I'm gonna get it to use and let you guys know what I think. Everything is put together. It was super easy. You just hook in your handle and some things like that. And I love this odor thing on the bottom here. So it has your settings, so you can make it stronger for your odor or less, which is pretty cool. So I love that option right there. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna go ahead and use it and let you guys know what I think and how it works. Vacuum in every room in my house, and I just want to tell you guys, I am so impressed with it. It picked up so much dirt. If you can see right there, so many dog furs. It works so amazing. It works great on hard floor, your carpet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum my carpet. It also has that really fresh scent with that odor part that it has with it. It makes the house smell so clean.